Dear students, now I am going to solve three variables problems in a simplex method. Already two variables, particularly in the case of maximization is work. Just I am going to step by step. Once if you complete two variables, better to go to three variables like maximization and minimization problems. Like now, so three variables means and come to this point, solve the in examination point of view, the problem is given like this. So what are the problem here? Problem is given like this. The following solve the following LP problem using simplex method, using simplex method. So the question is objective function maximize z is equal to 10x1 plus 15x2 plus 20x3. So now subject to constraints 2x1 plus 4x2 plus 6x3 is a less than or equal to 24. Next go to 3x1 plus 9x2 plus 6x3 less than or equal to 30, x1 comma x2 x3 greater than or equal to 0. Now problem is given like this. Now what are the first step? Please try to convert inequality equations to equal equation. Step number 1. Inequality equation. How to convert the inequality equation equal equation? The problem is given less than or equal to. For the less than or equal, better to introduce slack variable. It means that, so that is equal to 2x1 plus 4x2 plus 1s1 equal to 24. Finish. Now go to the second equation. So 3x1 plus 9x2 plus 6x3 plus plus 6x3 come to this point because already is there. So this 1 is 3, that's 1 is 3, 6x3 is there, and this. So already, so 4x2 plus first equation come to 6x3 plus 1s1 equal to 24. So this is the 3x1 plus 9x2 plus 6x3 plus 1s2 equal to 30. So this is equal to x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma s1 comma s2 greater than or equal to 0. Now the first, this equation, how to convert this equation? This is very important point. Objective function z is equal to, so 10x1 plus 15x2 plus 20x3, because introduce only two slack variables only, so 0s1 plus 0s2. Finish. Now once if we convert inequality to equal equation, the next step, please try to enter the quotient value in the simplex table. So how to write the simplex table here? How to draw this? Of a simplex table. This is a fixed simplex table. This is a table. So this is a CI BV basic variable. Next, solution value SV shortcut solution value. So in the two equations I have three variables. So x1 go to x2 go to x3. Next, slack variables only two, s1 s2, and the last column minimum ratio. Finish. Okay, now please better to erase this one. Okay. Okay. Now the top values, please again for same constant this and once the simplex table format is over, now how to enter the coefficients. So take the SV. What are the meaning of the SV? After equal values are called as a solution value. These two values are called as a solution values. So 24 and it's called as a 30. Finish. X1. X1 means first equation. First equation means 2, 4, coefficients only. 6, 1, no S2. Go to the second equation. 3, 9, 6, 0, 1. Next. So after that, this is called as a CJ. CJ value. What are the CJ values? CJ values is nothing but objective function values. That's all. These are 10, 15, 20, 0 and 0. So how to enter the values in CA and basic variable? See the unit matrix. Unit matrix here. Unit matrix available here only. 1, 0, 0, 1. 1 is there. What are the top values? Please write down 0 S1. Write down 0 S1. Go to the second unit matrix 1 because the simplex table is a 100% is connected to unit matrix. So 1 is there. What are the 1 here? Top value 0 S2. So 0 S2. Now draw a horizontal. So the next step ZJ. Same procedure. Okay, ZJ. Please again I'll repeat once again. So the question is given like this. Maximize Z is equal 10x1 like this and subject to constraint is given. The first step is convert inequality equations to equal equations. Inequality, how to convert the inequality equations to equal equation? The equations are given less than or equal to. Less than or equal to means if you want to convert any less than or equal to equal equation, we have to introduce slack variables according to our of point. So please write down 1s1 equal to 24 because inequality to convert into equal. Next go to inequality to equal 1s2. So next come to the objective function 10x1. Already this equation is given 10x1 has to, because the values of slack variables is equal to 0 in objective function. So always write 0 and 0. Once that part is completed, next draw the simplex table. Simplex table is a fixed CA. BV means basic variable solution values. So in that equation, the equation contains only 3 variables x1, x2, x3. So that write down x1, x2, x3. Next is s1 and s2. So that next one is please write down the coefficients. This is the 2, next 4, next 6, 1 is there. There is no s2. Next second equation 3, next 9, 6, 0, 1. Over. Next this. How to enter the and how to calculate the C and basic variable values means see the unit matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. 1. What are the corresponding values? 0 S1. Write down 0 S1. 1 is there. What are the corresponding values? 0 S2. 0 S2. Over. Next point, ZJ. So already I told you ZJ. What is the basic formula for the concept of ZJ? ZJ is equal to sigma Ci into Xi, where I is equal to 1, 2, so on, 3, 4, etc. It means 0 into 2, take this one, 0 into 2 plus 0 into 3, 0 into 3, so all equal to 0. So that write down 0 here. Next go to 0 into 4 plus 0 into 9, 0. Again 0 into 6 plus 0 into 6, 0. Next 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0. So that is equal to 0, 0. Okay. Once Zj value is over, please draw the horizontal line. Next step, Cj minus Zj. Same thing. Okay. Cj minus Zj. So what are the Cj values? Cj values is nothing but objective function value. Top row values Cj 10 minus 0 10, 15 minus 0 15, 20 minus 0 20, 0 minus 0 0 0. So out for the key column. Now what are the our conditions? So this is a call as a key column. This is a key row. This is a key column. This is called as a key column, and this is a key row, and this point is called as a key element. Key element. Come to this point. So out of these Cj minus Zj values, better to select the maximum positive value. Maximum positive value. This is the maximum positive value. So that take this value for the key column. Okay, students. So key column. How to identify the key column values means in Cj minus Zj, select maximum positive value. If we have two same maximum value, select any one. There is no restriction. Now come to this minimum ratio. What are the basic point for the minimum ratio formula? SV by Kc. Solution value by key column. What are the solution value here? 24. 24 divided by 6. 24 divided by 6, that is equal to 4. 30 divided by 6. 30 divided by 6, that is equal to 5. Select the minimum value. Minimum value means this. For key column, select maximum positive value. For key row, select the minimum positive value. So for the minimum positive value means this one. So this is called as a key row. This is called as a key row. Finish. Now what are the next step? You have to change the value key row and key column first. That is a very important point. So what are the point here? So how to calculate the values, how to change the values in the key row and key column. It means that first you see this key row and key column intersecting here at the key element, that is called as a key element. This is 6. It means that you have to change the element in the key row and key column. Key row means remove 0 S1 because this is intersecting value here. So what are the top values? 20 x2. So please write down. So this is a 20 x2. 20 x2. So the remaining values are, this is values are 0 s2 as it is. 0 s2 as it is. Understand? Now come to this point. 0 s2 as it is. So that is it. Now how to calculate? Take this key element, divide it to elements which are present in the key row. So how to change the values in the key row means take a key element value, change or divide it to element which are present in the key row. 24 divided by 6, 4. 2 divided by 6, 1 by 3. 4 divided by 6, 2 by 3. 6 divided by 6, 1. 1 divided by 6, 1 by 6, 0. So this 6, take this 6, divide to all elements. 24 divided by 6, 2 divided by 6, 4 divided by 6, like this. 1 divided by 6, 0 divided by 6. So once if you get 1 for the key column, remaining values are 0 because these are connected to unit matrix. Now the how to calculate the remaining value? See, already we are changed in the values which are present in the key row and key column. Finish. Now go to the second one. How to calculate these key row value? Same thing, our basic formula, logic formula. What are the logic formula? A, understand, A minus B into C by D. Simple formula. If you refer any textbooks, in the textbook they are adopted different types of methodology. like R1, R2, row operation, like a Gauss Jordan method. If you are perfect in method, better to take this as a, I mean to say that R1 and R2 like this. Otherwise, better to use this method. What are the, which is the A? Like take this simple point A, and top key row always B, एक straight key column C, and this is a D. Simple thing. What are the values? 30 minus B, 24 into C, 6 by 6. So 6 cancel, 34 minus, write down 6 here. Go to second one. Let this as A. Simple thing. Top B, right side always key column side C and D. Same thing. 3 minus 6, 3 minus 2 B, because 2 into C, 6 by 6. So 6 is 3 minus 2, 1. Same thing. This is A. Understand? Top B, A straight C and D. Okay, and C and D. So this is, if you use our methodology, you will get as a 5. Already is there. So same thing. A, and this as a B, and A straight to C and D. Same formula, A minus B into C by D. Same. So that is equal to, what are the value here? 0 minus minus 1. So this is equal to 1. After that, draw the horizontal line. Same, ZJ. So what are the ZJ value here? Same. See the ZJ value sigma CA into Xi, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, etc. It means that 20 into 1 by 3 plus 0 into 1. 20 into 1 by 3 plus 0 into 1, that is a 20 by 3. Don't convert into decimals. Always give the first preference to only fraction. 20 into 2 by 3 plus 0 into 5. So 40 by 3. 20 into 1 plus 0. So 20. 20 into 1 by 6 plus 0 into this. So 10 by 3. Because 20 into 1 by 6, 10 2s are 3 2s are. So this is equal to 0. Next, Cj minus Zj, same procedure. Cj minus Zj. Cj minus Zj. So come to this point. In the Cj minus Zj, it means Cj, what are the Cj? In the top value is 10. See the, here is a 10. Here is a 10. 10 minus 20 by 3. 10 minus 20 by 3. Take LCM 3. 30 minus 20. 10 by 3. So 10 by 3. Like the 15 minus 40 by 3. 5 by 3. Okay. 0. Same thing. Minus 10 by 3. 0. So the problem is not completed. The values of Cj minus, all values are zeros or negatives. But here is a 0, 0, negative. But these are 2 are positive. It indicates that the problem is not completed. Again, you have to apply minimum row and minimum column values. Out of these two, which is the maximum value? 10 by 3. Because 5 by 3 is lower than the 10 by 3. So better to select key column. This is the key column value. Same thing. Go to the minimum ratio. How to identify the key element? I mean, of key row value. Key column is over. Key row is nothing SV by KC. What is the SV here? 4 divided by 1 by 3. So that is equal to 4 divided by 1 by 3. That is a 12. And 6 divided by 1. That is equal to 6. Select the minimum value for key row. For key row. Over. So again, please continue the same thing. That's all. There is no confusion. Only the thing is just apply your common sense and create some interest. That's all. It is a purely mathematical subject and a purely scoring subject also, because 20x3 as it is. What are the main point? You have to change the values first in key row and key column. So what are here is a key element. One is that this key element column and a key row intersecting here. What are the corresponding values? 10x1. So that 10x1. There is a no key row here. So take this element, key element, divide it to all elements which are present in the key row. Take these key row values, divide it to all elements in the key row. It means 6 divided by 1. Write down 6. 1 divided by 1, 1. 5 divided by 5, 5. 0 divided by 0. Minus 1 divided by 1, minus 1. 1 divided by 1. So sometimes it is a supposed to say that 7, 6 divided by 7, like this only, depends upon the given problem. Now if 1 is there, after that write down 0, because key column is always connected to the unit matrix. See, key row and key column values are over. The next, how to calculate the values of the remaining of the first row? Same thing. A, apply our method. A, this is the B, A cast right C, and key element is a D. That's all. Simple thing. What are the values? 4 minus B into C, 6 into 1 by 3 by 1. So this is a 2 times 4 minus 2. Write down 2 here. Like this here. 2 by 3 A. This is the B. A cast right C, and D is a common element of the key row. Okay, key row, suppose apply the condition, you will get minus 1. Like this, A, understand? A, this is the B, A cast right, this key element, always key column, C and D. Apply our condition so that you will get, this is 0, 1, and the next one, same thing, A, B, A cast right C and D. Apply here is after that apply 1 by 2, and this is a 1 by 3. Same thing, same apply. A minus B into C by D. After that, calculate ZJ. What are the ZJ values here? ZJ values are, understand, Cj minus come to this point. What are the ZJ values here? ZJ is another sigma Ca into Xi. Okay. Oh, in the previous problem, already I'll enter into the previous problem. Okay. Because the problem is, in the previous problem, where is the first? Dear students, now today I'm going to solve the 3 variables minimization method. In the previous classes already I completed 2 types of problems. In the maximization cases, 2 variables and 3 variables. Come to the point of the minimizations. Minimizations means minimizations. Come to the point here, solve the following. The problem is given like this. Solve the following LP problem, linear programming problem. Z is equal to, the problem is given like this, 10x1 plus 15x2 plus 20x3 20x3 subject to constraints 2x1 plus 4x2 plus 4x2 plus 6x3 greater than or equal to 24. This is a minimization. Next equation, 3x1 plus 9x2 plus 6x3 greater than or equal to 30. Greater than or equal to 30. So that is equal to x1 comma x2 comma x3 greater than or equal to 0. Suppose sometimes the equation is given like this. So what are our logic point here? So these less than or equal to, greater than or equal to only. Less than or equal to introduce yes, artificial and a slack variable. Once if you want to introduce artificial variables, we have to use M. That point is called as a big M method. That is also called as a penalty method. Penalty method or big M method. And come to this point. So how to convert? This is a 2x1 plus 4x2 plus 6x3 plus convert into inequality equal. Same our procedure. Greater than or equal to A and S plus A1 minus S1 equal to 24. So the quotient before S1 equal to 1. But what are the number or what are the quotient before A1 means you have to apply, that is called as a M. That is called as a big M method. This method is called as a big M method. Big M or penalty method. Penalty method. Understand? Come to this point. So that is equal to 3x1 plus 9x2 plus 6x3 plus greater than MA2 minus S2 equal to 30. So what are these? x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma s1 comma s2 comma a1 comma a2 greater than or equal to 0 over. How to convert the objective function? That is 10x1 plus 15x2 plus 20x3 plus s1 is there. S1, the value of s1 objective function is always equal to 0. 0 s1 plus 0 s2 plus ma1 plus ma2. Okay, now converted into inequality equation to equal. Now come to the, I mean to say that is a how to enter the values in the simplex table. Please draw this simplex table. Same principle, same, there is no difference. So like this. Next, Ci, basic variable. Please draw this vertical line here. Next, solution value. Draw the vertical line here, constant. How many variables are there? 3 variables. So x1, x2, x3. Okay, next s1, s2, the next a1, a2, minimum ratio, same principle, minimum ratio. Okay, sir. So now come to this point. So minimum ratio. Now this same thing, same top, top row values. This is called as a Cj. Same thing, Cj. So how to enter the values? See the first values, top values, objective from 10, 15, 20. So write down 10, 15, 20. So this is 0, 0, m, m. Now come to the first equation. Enter the question. 2, 4, that is a 6. Understand? Minus 1, no s2, 1 and a 0. Go to this second equation. 3, 9, 6, no s1, but s2 is a minus 1, 0, 1. Solution values, equal values are called as these. Equal values are called as the solution values. So 24 and 30. So what are the difference between the previous question, this one? In previous question, these are given less than or equal to. But here, greater than or equal to. Less than indicates that maximization, greater than indicates that minimization. That's all. Simple thing. If the less than or greater than or is given, A is introduced. A means artificial variable. If artificial variable means it indicates big M method. That's all. Come to this point. Unit, where is the unit matrix here? Here, not this. This is the minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. In previous problem, 1, 0, 0, 1. But here is a minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Where is the 1? Positive. Unit matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. So 1 is there. So what are the top values? MA1. So take MA1, MA2. In previous problem, 1 is there. So that you have to write down 0 as 1. But here is not. So what are the unit matrix here? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Same. Now come to the same values. Draw the horizontal line. Horizontal line. Same thing. ZJ. ZJ. What is the ZJ values? What is the basic formula for ZJ? ZJ is nothing but sigma Ci into Xi. Ci means M into 2. Listen. M into 2 plus M into 3, that is a 5m. Listen, M into 2 plus M into 3, 5m, like this. M into 4 plus M into 9, 13m, like this. M into 6 plus M into 6, 12m. M into minus M. So this is a minus M because M into 0 plus M into minus 1. Like this is a M and this is the M. Come to the point. Same thing. Cj minus Zj. What are the Cj? All the top values are there. 10 minus 5m. 10 minus 5m. Okay. 5m. And this 15 minus 13m. 15 minus 13m. 20 minus 12m. 0 minus m means plus. This is the plus. M minus m 0 and the 0. Same thing. Same, please calculate this value. Understand? So, what is the difference between the maximization and minimization problem? Maximization and minimization problem. In the maximization for the key column, you have to select the maximum positive value in Cj value, Cj minus Zj value. In a minimization problem, you have to select the minimum negative m value. Negative m value. Here is a negative, minimum negative m value means this is the negative m value. See, listen, this minimum negative value. So that you have to take this one. This is called as a key column. Key column, the negative value. Now come to this point. Minimum ratio. Minimum ratio. What is the basic for minimum ratio? SV by Kc. Same thing. SV means solution value. 24 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4. That is equal to 6. And 30 divided by 9. So that is I think 3 point something, whatever it is, 3 point something is that. So out of these two, which is the minimum value? This is the minimum value. So that select a hero. Same thing. key row. Okay, student. Now, same apply. Don't confuse. Same thing. Now come to this point here. Next, what are the key row and key column? What is it indicates that we have to change the values in the key row and key column. Key row and key column. Here is a MU2. Here is a key row. Key row means what are the corresponding intersecting value 15x2. Please write down 15x2. And next, take this key element, divide it to all elements which are present in the key row. In the key row, 30 divided by 9. 30 divided by 9 is 10 by 3. 3 divided by 9, 1 by 9, 1 by 3. 9 divided by 9, 1. 6 divided by 9, 2 by 3. 0 minus 1 by 9, 0, 1 by 9. One by 9. Next, come to this point. Here in the key column, already 1 is there. The remaining values are 0 because key column is always connected to the unit matrix. Come to this point. Come to this point. So how to calculate this value? Which one? These. How to convert these two values? So come to this point. What are the values here? Yes, MA1 as it is. Next, come same thing. A, apply our conditions. B, A straight. Okay, A, B, A straight. C, and intersecting is a D. What are the formula? Logical formula. A minus B into C by D. Now, what are the A here? 24 minus B 30 into C 4 by 9. 4 by 9. So, please calculate here. 3 3s are 9. 10 3s are. I mean to say that 24 minus 40 by 3. Understand? Take LCM and solve it. So that now we'll get the answer is 32 by 3. Like this, go to A, same thing. B, A opposite C and D. Apply our formula. So that you will get answer 2 by 3. And like come to this point. So how to calculate these values? Go to this. A, B, A straight, C, always key column, always attracted to key column, C and D. Apply this formula right here. So 2 by 3 and 2 by 3, this is a 10 by 3. Next go to the A, B, this is the A and B, A straight, always key column, not side, key column, C and D. Apply our condition. So that minus 1, this 0 A, B, A straight C and D. Understand? So that is equal minus 4 by 9, this 1 and minus 4 by 9. Same thing. A minus B, like this A, B, A straight always C and D. Next one, go to same thing, ZJ. What are the basic formula for ZJ? Sigma Ca into Xi. It means M into Z 2 by 3. Listen, M into 2 by 3 plus 15 into 1 by 3. It means 2M by 3 plus 15 by 3. 2M plus 15 by 3. Understand? Go to same. M into 0 plus 15 into 1. 15. Okay. Same thing. M into 10 by 3. 10M by 3 plus 15 into 2 by 3. So simplified, simplified, you will get 10M plus 30, 10m plus 30 by 3. Next, go to this. M into minus 1 plus 15 into this minus m, like this. M into 4 by 9, see, m into minus 4 by 9 plus 15 into minus 1 by 9, like this. Simply, you will get 4m minus 15 by 9. Go to this, m into 1 plus 15 into m, okay, right? m into uh, m and the next one like this, m into 4 by 9 plus 15 into 1 by, simple second class and third class problem, that's all, just to concentrate here. And 4m plus 15 by 9. Next, Cj minus Zj. Cj minus Zj. What are the Cj? Already top values. 10 minus 2m plus 15 by 3. Like this. See, check it here. 10. Understand? So 10 minus 2m plus 15 by 3. Take LCM 3. 30 minus 2m minus 15. It means that 15 minus 2m by 3. Right? Like this. 15 minus 2m by 3. Cj means, what are the Cj here? 15. 15 minus 15. 0. Like this. This is a 20. 20 minus 10m plus 30 by 3. Simplify it. You will get 30 minus 10m by 3. The next one is a 0. 0 minus of minus. Yeah. And this one. Okay, 0 minus of. So minus 4m plus 15 by 9. And this one, m minus m, 0. This minus this. So plus. So minus 4m. So minus. So 13m minus 15 by 9. Okay, so out of this, but here is a minus negative values. What are the minus value here? Minus 10m minus 2m. So minus 10m is a new value. So please continue the problem. Same thing. It means that this is the key column. Key column means like this. Understand? So same thing. How to calculate the key row values? SV by Kc. 32 divided by 3 divided by 10 by 3. Understand? So that you will get 3 cancel, 32 by 10 means 3.2 something is there, whatever it is. Next, 10 divided by 3, this is the 5. So out of these two, this is a minimum value. So for the mathematical, select a key row. Yes. Understand? Key row. Next, go to this one. Same thing. Cj minus Z. So please remove this one. This is a 20. So this column is connected to 20 because the key row, because this key row and key column is a connecting here. So that what is value? I mean to say that that is a Yes. Please continue the problem here, 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 and here. So please remove this one. This is a 20. Please remove the MA1. Write down 20 x3. This is 15 x2 as it is. What is the meaning of the key row? You have to change the element in the key row first. It means that take a key element value, divide it to elements which are present in the key row. 32 divided by 3 divided by 10 by 3. Understand? So that is equal to 32. Next 2 by 3 divided by 10 by 3. That is a 2 by 10. 2 by 10 is nothing but 1 by 5. 0 divided by 10 by 3. 0. 10 divided by 3. 1 minus 1 divided by 10 by 3 minus 3 by 10 and 4 minus 4 by 9 divided by 10 by 3. Understand? So that minus 3 by 10 minus 3 by 10. Next 2 by 15. 2 by 15. Next 1 divided by 10 by 3, that is equal to 3 by 10. Next minus 4 by 9 divided by 10 by 3, 2 by 15. 2 by 15, right? So that minus 2 by. Next come to this point. Continue, please continue the problem. Same thing, this x2. It means if you get 1, write down 0. Unit matrix, same thing. Now how to calculate the value of these? I mean to say that these are value, these second one, third of these. I mean of these A, and this is the A. Okay, and next 10 divided by 10, and next A straight B, C and D. Same thing, same thing. A, B, C and D. Apply our conditions. 10 by 3 apply. A minus B into C by D. 10 by 3 minus 2 by 32 by 3 B into C. Okay, 2 by 3 into D is a 10 by 3. So use of our formula, you will get 6 by 5. Same thing, A, B, this is the A, simple thing. B, A straight always C, this key element is a D, always D. And let's apply our condition of formula, so that 1 by 5 and this 1, A means of 1 and come to this. So this 0 minus and this one, okay, 0 by 3 and 0, 1 by 5. Same thing, A, B, A straight C, D is a common for all values. So that minus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 5 and this same thing, 1 by 5 and this is a 1 by 5. I mean to say that let this as A, this as B, A straight, see, don't change the value of C and D, that finish. Once you over, next you go to ZJ. Same thing, don't change the procedure. ZJ. What are the ZJ? What is the basic formula ZJ? Sigma CA into Xi. I mean to say that 20 into 1 by 5 plus 15 into 1 by 5. 20 into 1 by 5 plus 15 into 1 by 5. So this is a 3 times, this is a 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. Am I right? 7. Like this. Okay. This is a 50, 20 into this 15. And this 15, 20. And this. Understand? Minus 3. 20 into 2 by 5 plus 15 into 1 by 5. So minus 1 by 3. Same thing. Minus 1 by 3. 3. And same thing. This is a 1 by 3. Next, what is the next step? Cj minus Zj. Cj minus Zj. Same thing. Same thing. What are the Cj? Cj top values. Okay. So that what are the Cj? 10. 10 minus 7, 3, positive. So 15 minus 15, 0, positive. 20 minus 20, 0, positive. Okay. So that the next one is 0 minus of minus 3, positive. And 0 minus of minus 1 by 3, positive. And m minus 3, m minus 3. And this m minus 1 by 3. Okay, so first of all, always give the first preference to only the penalty value of big M is x1, x2, x3 only, not s1, s2. Because of here is a minus 3, but don't continue. Because here is give the first preference only x1, x2, x3. So the values of Cj minus Zj, zeros are, this is the positive values are there. That's all. Minimization Cj minus Zj, zeros are positive. Maximization zeros are negative is quite opposite. So the condition is satisfied. Understand? Sorry, this is a 2. So that what are the values here? Take the values. X1 equal to 0. Here is x2. X2 is equal to comma. X2 is equal to 6 by 5. X3 is equal to 3 by 2. Understand, students? What is the difference between the maximization and minimization? In the case of maximization, zeros are negatives. The values of zeros are negatives in Cj minus Zj. In the minimization, zeros are positives in the Cj minus Zj values. Okay, so what are the minimum value? Therefore, understand, therefore, x2 is equal to x3, 32 by 10, sorry, this is the 32 by 10, and it's 32, x2, x3, 32, this is the x3 is equal to 32 by 10. Understand, that is 16 by 5. Cancel the table. So therefore minimum value z is equal, please write on the equation, 10x1 plus 15x2 plus 20x3. I mean to say that 10 into 0 plus 15 into 6 by 5 plus 20 into 16 by 5. Understand? So that the answer is 82. So this is the minimum value. So what is the, please, I repeat this question again, please try to understand the question and try to understand the difference between the maximization and minimization. Process is the same, only the thing is in the maximization case the values of Cj minus Zj, zeros are negative, immediately stop the problem. In the minimization case, the values of Cj minus Zj, zeros are positive, stop the problem. So, and another case, in maximization cases, all constraints connected to less than or equal to, in minimization, greater than or equal to. For the case of the greater than or equal to, if you want greater than or equal to inequality equation, then automatically come into artificial variables and slack variables. If you enter into artificial variables in the tabular form, the values of the Cj row value m, that is called as a big M method or penalty method. Same thing, apply our previous condition. Don't change our policy. Basic concept is the same, whether it is a maximization or minimization. Only difference is a presentation is a different. Maximization this policy, minimization this policy. Simplex table is a constant. In the minimization cases, the values of Cj minus Zj, zeros are negative. Maximization case, Cj value, that's all. Only the number of columns are increases sometimes. If the number of columns less than the, sometimes is less or more, depends upon the given question. Now, same thing, only the thing, don't confuse it. Same, this is the basic concept of the given problem. Thank you.